Navigating student loans can feel like entering a maze, but understanding whether your interest rate is fixed or variable is a crucial piece of the puzzle. Here's how to decipher it like a pro. First off, check your loan documentation. Your promissory note, loan agreement, or online account portal should clearly state whether your interest rate is fixed or variable. Fixed interest rates remain the same throughout the life of the loan, providing stability and predictability in your monthly payments. On the other hand, variable interest rates can fluctuate with market changes, potentially leading to variations in your payments over time. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to your loan servicer directly. They can provide clarification and answer any questions you may have about your loan terms. Understanding whether your interest rate is fixed or variable is essential for budgeting and planning your finances. If you're considering refinancing or exploring repayment options, knowing this information will help you make informed decisions. Remember, we're here to support you on your journey to financial wellness. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance or guidance. Together, we can navigate the complexities of student loans and pave the way for a brighter future.